Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Tanya, a marketing strategist, business coach, and launch copywriter. And here I help coaches, course creators, service-based businesses, and creative entrepreneurs create the business that they want and love so that they no longer have to seek an escape. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on your notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, on today's video, I am talking about lead generation because this is something that is stressful for a lot of entrepreneurs. They have the will, they have the skill, but sometimes the biggest struggle that they have is not getting customers and not getting enough people interested in their services so that they can actually sell their services. Now, before we jump into today's video, I'll be sharing 4 different methods that you can use to generate leads for your business. Don't forget to check out the description box or the show notes if you are listening to it on a podcast, where I share a number of freebies from a guide to 97 ways to market your brand, because that is how you're going to generate your leads, to a free sales script, a free sales script template that you can get to kind of know how to structure your sales calls so that you are able to close prospects. So now let's jump into today's video. Welcome back to this video. Now we are going to dive straight in 4 different ways, 4 different methods that you can generate leads today for your business, because this is important. The pipeline of people coming into your business, of interest into your business, will in the long run be the reason why you generate sales, because the only 2 important things that you should be focusing on in your business is lead generation and sales. The other things can fall on the side, or you can actually create system, or otherwise outsource so that you are more productive and actually more effective. Now let's jump into this one. The first one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best kept secret out there to generate leads, because a lot of people have influence. They already have your target audience. They're already trusted about your target audience, and now they only need the person, the individual, the company to tell them to check out a particular product or service, and they will do so. So a lot of people have garnered interest and influence over people. So actually partnering up with referral partners, as known, or affiliates, is a good move, because you are generating leads without paying any money to anyone. And at the end of the day, you are building a list of buyers. So affiliate marketing is number 1 on my list. Number 2 on my list is collaboration. Collaborate with people in your field that share similar client ICA that have similar ICA characteristics, so that you are able to feed off each other. Doing collaboration is also one of the best ways to generate leads, because people that know this individual you're collaborating with, when they see that you are collaborating with this person, it means that this person trusts and knows you and actually acknowledge you as an expert. So definitely you're also borrowing that from them. So you are able to generate leads from other people's audiences by just collaborating with them. The other way to generate leads is, of course, old and proven, is to have a lead magnet. Lead magnet that speaks to your target audience, to something that they would like to achieve. You would know a lead magnet is something for free that you give away for free in exchange for an email. So once you have done that to the person, for somebody, they are now in your database, and you can reach out to them and make offers in the long run. And the final one for me would obviously be social media or cold email outreach. This is tremendously good, And the fact that people, not a lot more people are doing this is actually um baffling, because it's great, because you have your social media, you have your ICA details, characteristics. You go out and find people that fit that characteristic and just reach out to them straight out and try to tell them that you would be beneficial to them. So these four methods, you could try today into your business, and let me know what you think. So let me know what you think, what method you will be trying in your business. Leave it in the comments down below. And don't forget to download your free guide, 97 Ways to Market Your Brand. And also check out the free sales template that I have down below that will help you close more sales call. And if you want to get in touch with me or my team and want to learn how to get to your first 10K months as an entrepreneur, $10,000, I'll leave the link to book an appointment with us, where we give you some strategies that you could use to reach your first 10K months. And if we are a fit, we could show you how we could work together. So on that note, I'll leave you with that. Thank you and bye bye.